November the 2nd, started to winterize the boat. It is 27 hours on this engine. I didn't get a chance to use the boat a lot, so that's all I put the last season on the engine. As you see, it's all in the box. So I can change the oil. Okay, the engine is warmed up at 65 degrees. Let it work for like 15 minutes. Now I'm going to pump the oil out. I use this 12 volt pump. It makes it much easier. Okay, gonna start pumping. So it's being pumped out. Pretty dark, huh? So I took these hoses out. These are actually for the exhaust manifolds. The coolant, actually, the water from the raw water from the river or lake, gonna go through the engine and then eventually gonna exit from these ports, get through the exhaust manifolds, cools them off, and then goes back to the river. So I opened them up, all of them, like 1, 2, 3, basically, and then I put antifreeze in them. And there are two plugs down there that, as you can see, it's dripping because I put antifreeze and it's just the last drips of it on both ends. So there's one here, and then one right down there, which is dripping. Then I open the water heater port. There's a valve down there. I open that up, and there is a pressure relief valve over the top. So you're gonna open that so the air could get in when you open it. And then I started the pump. So basically I'm draining the freshwater tank through the line and down here. Not much is going back to the cabin so far, and once the whole water is drained out, you might have like 15 gallons of water that is draining out. As you can see, after that is drained out, I will put waterline antifreeze. So got them from Walmart, like $5 some change, and I have like 10 of them right now. So I will fill up the fresh tank with antifreeze. Gonna close the port over there so it doesn't drain from there, and I'm gonna flush the waterline system, basically the pipelines, the faucets, the shower, everything. So I will show you when I get there. Just waiting for this to drain out. So I have the hot water line open right now. I'm waiting for the water heater to fill up, and the antifreeze can make it through all the way down to here. Once it starts to flow, I'm going to route the antifreeze from there to the toilet so I can drain the whole thing. So the hot water is winterized. As you can see, antifreeze is coming down. Also the cold water over here. The shower is winterized. Antifreeze is coming down, and the toilet bowl is filled up with antifreeze. To the Mercenator pump. It's filled with antifreeze, also the line. Actually I put another gallon in there. That was the last drips of it. And that's it. So it's winterized.